Hello guys, it's Chris and I'm back. Well, I'll just explain briefly. 2 weeks ago, my computer just sort of fucked up and I lost everything on it, like all really important files, and I was working on a really big project and I lost that. But after talking to some friends, I got all my stuff back and I'm now going to making more tutorials. So sorry for keeping you guys waiting, but I'm gonna start making tutorials again, and I've got so many planned. So let's just move on to this one then. This is just going to be a follow-up of the previous one, which I really should have done about 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, but I had bigger concerns then. But this is just going to be how to write text to a text file. Pretty simple. It's going to be exactly the same as the previous tutorial basically, but a little different. So go ahead and create a new project. Call it write to a text file. Okay. And we're going to be using the Stream Writer today. We used the Stream Reader in the previous tutorial. Okay, so let's let this load up. Okay, so first of all we're going to need a text box to declare what we're going to save the file as. So we'll just add a text box up here, and we'll put a label next to it, file name. And now we need the body of the text box, the text file, so let's put body here and the label. Add another text box, make it multi-line, and we're ready to start decoding. Oh no, whoops. Just add the save button. And let's start decoding. So okay, the way we did this, it's going to be exactly the same as the stream reader. We're just going to say declare object writer as new system.io.streamWriter, and in brackets this is going to be the file name, which we're going to declare in textbox1. So we're going to say textbox1.text, and under that we're just going to type objwriter.write, and in brackets textbox2.text. So it's going to write textbox2.text to the file textbox1.text, and underneath that we're just going to objwriter.close. Okay, so first of all we declare obj, whatever you want to call it, writer as a new system.io.streamWriter, and in the brackets here is where we declare our file name. So you could just put c test.txt or whatever you want, but we want it to be more customizable, so we'll use textbox1.text. And for the second line, this is just saying, okay, now we're going to use the stream writer and write textbox2.text, which is going to be our body, and then we just close it. So let's go ahead and test this out. Well, I'm not going to open up all my shit right now, but if you just type c streamwriter.txt, and we'll just say I'm using a stream writer VB owned. Save. Stop that. And that's basically going to save the text inside this text box to the file declared here. Now we can also customize that. Well, we can just add some security checks for it so it doesn't try and save a file when it already exists. So we can say if system.io.file.exists and in brackets text box 1.txt, then it's going to say sorry, that file already exists, and we'll add else here and then end if. So that's just going to first check if textbox 1.txt exists already, so we're not going to overwrite anything. And then if it does exist, it's going to give us this error message here, and if it doesn't, it's just going to say, well, it's just going to carry out this code. So that was a pretty simple tutorial, just basically repeating what we did last time. And first of all, before we end, I'm just going to show you that the file does exist, what is saved. Change this to open, and here we're going to do process.start textbox1.txt. Now you don't need to do this, this is just me showing that if the file does save. So I'll just open this, we'll create a new C blah 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 .txt, spam whatever, and save, and then open. Here we go, and it's saved. And I use process.start to open the text file. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions about this, then just leave a comment. If you have any suggestions or requests, then just leave a comment also. And please like this video since YouTube's got the new gay layout, and subscribe to my channel.